In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows 11. So this is actually relatively straightforward. The first thing you need to do is just head over to your Start menu and search for Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel window. From the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons, and then we're going to come down and select Mouse. In the top navigation, click on Pointer Options and make sure Enhance Pointer Precision is turned off and unchecked like so, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, just type in Analyze space DPI and hit Enter. Then you need to click on the top search result, which is mouse-sensitivity.com. And this will take you to this online tool where you're able to check your mouse DPI. Now, in order to do this, just scroll down to the DPI analyzer, and we're first going to decide the units that we want to measure this in. So I actually find this easier in inches, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And then what you need to do is grab yourself an A4 piece of paper and then measure out on that piece of paper a certain distance in inches. So I'm just going to go and measure 5 inches on an A4 piece of paper. And then what you need to do is place your mouse at the start of the line that you've just drew. And then we're going to hold down the left mouse click and move it across 5 inches, which is what we've set on the screen here. And by doing that, that's going to give you your actual DPI. So you can see here, for me, that's going to be 15.60 is my DPI. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.